Hey guys, so in the last video we did a flow test of my air filter setup for Old Red, and we used a correction factor, and I said that airflow dynamics change as you raise your depression. So let's prove that today. I'm going to flow the bench at 10 inches of water, and then I'm going to flow it at 28 inches of water. All I've done is adjust this to where I can flow 28 inches of water, and we're gonna do the 10 inches of water. We'll do the correction factor, and then we'll see how close it is whenever we actually flow it to 28 inches of water. The reason I'm picking 10 inches of water is a lot of motorcycle flow benches, the SF100, I don't remember what they are, the ones you usually use for motorcycle heads, they flow to 10 inches of water. And so that may be all you have, or you may only be able to string together 2 of these motors, and you don't want to build a huge flow bench. You don't have the space for it. So today we're going to prove if that correction factor can realistically get you up to a pretty close number to what it would be at 28 inches of water. So we're going to do that test real quick. Alright. Put my headphones on. It's going to get a little loud, so turn your volume down. Alright guys, my differential pressure transmitter, I use an app to look at the delta P through Bluetooth, so I have to turn the camera off while I'm doing the measurement, and then I just turn the camera back on to show you the 2 test points, 28 inches of water and 10 inches of water, with my little cover plate just kind of pushed out of the way a little bit. So we're going to put that back where it goes. Alright. So, to the math. Alright, so 10 inches of water, 28 inches of water. 3.55 delta P, inches of water delta P across the orifice. 10.25 inches of water delta P across the orifice. To get our correction factor, square root of the pressure I want to be at divided by the number. Okay, so I want a correction to 28 inches of water, so I'm starting out at 10. This is going to get me corrected to 28. That's 167%. Square root of our 10 inch of water flow divided by 9.01 times 375.56. Again, these 2 numbers, look at my old flow videos to get where those come from, but those are the calibration scale for my bench. So square root 353.55 divided by 9.01 times 375.56 times our correction factor of 1.6733, or 167% of this is 394 CFM. If you go down to our 28 inches of water, alright, we had a 10.25 inch of water delta P across the orifice. Again, this is my flow bench numbers. You get 400 CFM. So we're within basically 5 to 6 CFM at 400 CFM. So pretty much all small block Chevy heads and smaller, if you want to use the correction factor that I've been using ever since I started making these videos, It's very accurate, and I stand behind it, and I wanted to do a quick video to just show this to you and show how valid it is just with this simple test. And that's all I got. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm just gonna put that back where it goes. See ya.